What if I told you there's a tiny change in how you brush your teeth that could literally save them from falling out one day? Sounds dramatic, right? But this one trick completely changes how effectively you clean your teeth. And most people have never even heard of it. Because here's the thing, it's not about how often you brush or even what toothpaste you use. It's all about how you hold your toothbrush. And once you learn this, you'll never go back to brushing the old way again. We all know we should brush twice a day, but there's one hidden area that most people never clean properly, that little triangle between your teeth and gums. It's tiny, but that's exactly where plaque, inflammation, and cavities love to hide. Now, if you brush with your toothbrush held straight, you're missing that triangle completely. That's why even people who brush every day can still end up with gum problems or bad breath. So what's the fix? It's all about a simple 45 degrees angle. When you hold your toothbrush slightly tilted, half on your teeth and half on your gums, the bristles slip under the gum line and between teeth. That's where the magic happens. The plaque that normally stays hidden, gone. If you're using a manual brush, it's tough to get those micro movements right. That's why an electric toothbrush is a total game changer. It vibrates or rotates just enough to dislodge buildup effortlessly. Think of it this way. You don't hand wash clothes or sweep floors anymore, right? So why clean your teeth the old-fashioned way? Just hold your brush at that 45 degrees angle, pause for a few seconds on each tooth, and let the brush do the work. No harsh scrubbing. That can actually damage your enamel and gum line. Gentle pressure, steady angle, and slow movements. That's all you need. Use this technique, and you'll remove up to 99% of plaque from those hidden spots. Even if you skip floss once in a while, your gums will look pinker, feel healthier, and your teeth will stay cleaner between dental visits. So try it tonight. Just tilt your brush, and you'll feel the difference immediately. Then come back and tell me in the comments. Did your gums feel cleaner? Any change you notice? If this helped, share it with someone who needs better brushing habits. And don't forget to subscribe for more dentist-approved tips that actually work. See you in the next one. I'm Dr. Ashik, and here's to a cleaner, healthier smile.